Hey everyone, welcome to day 8 of the Etsy Hacks 30-day challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the favorite feature to create lists of your competitors or create lists of things that you need to buy for your Etsy business. So let me show you what I mean. If you click right here on the top right here where it says favorites, it has the little heart. It's going to take you to a new window where it's going to show you every single thing that you have favorite before on Etsy. Now, these are things that I have favorite because I have purchased for someone else. I usually buy on Etsy for other people, not for myself. Now, once in a while, I'll buy something for myself, but mostly it's always a gift. Now, one cool thing about this is that you can actually create a new list. And I have one here that I created a few minutes ago, and I named it Etsy Marketing. So you could definitely create a list. And let's say that you wanted to do like Etsy competitors. You could do that if you wanted to. And you could create a list. You can make it private as well if you don't want other people to see that particular list. And excuse my internet, it's a little bit slow, so that's why that other window opened up. So now I have right here Etsy competitors. So let me go ahead and click here. And then I have Etsy marketing. You could create as many lists as you want to. But what's really cool about this is that you could actually go ahead and select items and add them to this list here or this list here. So if you're buying things on Etsy and you're just browsing and you're trying to buy like, let's say that you go to Etsy and you're like, okay, I need a Etsy shop banner. And you see multiple stores, maybe you like multiple banners. You're not really sure what banner you want to buy. What you could ultimately do is just go ahead and favorite this. Let's say this is another one that you like. So let me go ahead and hover on top. And I'm going to favorite this. And then let's say this is another one that I like. But I don't know which one of these three I want to go ahead and buy. What I could do is I could add it to the list. So I could click on add to list. And it's going to open a new page for me. So let's go ahead and see what happens now. It's a little slow, so I do apologize because the internet connection from my end over here is acting up right when I'm doing a video. Like always. Story of my life. So let me go back to my favorites right here since it didn't open the window like it should. And I'm going to go back here. So these are the 3 things that I just favorite. So what I could definitely do now is that I could go ahead and add this to a specific list. So instead of having it like right here with all of my favorites, I could actually just add it to Etsy marketing. And I could just remove it from here. And I could just put done. So now that particular item is going to be on Etsy marketing. If I do a refresh, it should show up right here. And what's cool about that is that it will keep you organized, especially when you're shopping for your business. Maybe you do use your Etsy account to buy gifts like I do on occasional for other people. Then you could create a list of all the things that you favorite for buying. You could create a list of all the Etsy marketing. You could create one for all the clip art that you find on Etsy that you potentially want to buy. But this is really cool because it'll keep everything organized for you. And you could even create a competitor list and set this as private. So therefore, when people are browsing your account, they don't actually see what you have here. So you could set that one on private. But this is a really cool trick to just keep yourself organized on the Etsy platform because I've accumulated this many things. I can imagine someone that's always buying on Etsy or always favoring things that they find. I could imagine this list might even be longer than 84 items. I hope that you enjoy this trick. Let me know if you have ever used this before, if you plan to use it. And don't forget, guys, to like and comment and share this video. I will see you on the next Etsy hack.